In previous lecture, we have started function. What is a function? Function is self-contained block of statements which is enclosed by chain brackets. Okay, see here you are declared main function. Main is a function. When
सर ते ओरल दुसऱ्या ऍप मध्ये केलं चालतंय ना, टर्बो C++ सोडून?
दुसरं कोणतं ऍप आहे?
हा म्हणजे तोच आहे कंपायलर, बट नाव वेगळे.
ऑनलाईन कंपायलर घेतलं तरी चालेल.
हा
तर
C++ मध्ये पण चालेल. ओके
ओके सर.
सर त्यात आपला आवाज पाहिजे का दोन्ही पण पाहिजे? व्हिडिओ आवाज पाहिजे?
व्हिडिओ आवाज दोन्ही पाहिजे. एक्सप्लेन कसं करणार तुम्ही? काय बोलताय हे कसं कळणार आम्हाला?
झूम मीटिंग वर आपण स्वतःहून तयार केलं चालतं का?
हो, तुम्ही स्वतः करू शकताय.
चालेल.
Okay, so when any program contains number of functions, out of them main is out of them there should be a main function. Okay, एखाद्या प्रोग्राम मध्ये एकापेक्षा जास्त जर फंक्शन असतील तर त्यापैकी एक फंक्शन हे मेन असू शकतं. Then if any program contains only one function, that function should be a main. एखाद्या प्रोग्राम मध्ये एकच फंक्शन असेल तर ते फक्त मेन फंक्शन आहे. ओके, देन how to use function. So when you are using a function, there are 3 steps. First step is function declaration. Second step is calling function or function calling. And third, function definition. Okay, we'll see simple program on this function addition of 2 numbers. So whenever you have declared files, hash include stdio.h, then hash include conio.h, then here before main function you should have to declare, suppose here first return type is integer. When it is used when you are returning some value, then it integer return type you should have to use. When you are not returning any value, then you should have to write void. So int, suppose my function name is sum, then parenthesis in semicolon, here function declaration done, then here int main, then here integer you are declared one variable c. So print c is equal to sum semicolon. Here at this step here function calling is done, at this step function declaration is done. Then whenever you called this function, go to the definition of this sum, so integer sum, then here you have declared 3 variables, integer p, q, r, printf, enter 2 variables enter two numbers, scanf %d and p and q. Then here you declared r is equal to p plus q. Your addition is done, and here you are returning value, return r. So after returning r, this value goes to the here definition of in definition of this sum function. You have calculated the value r, so this value is returning to this statement, that is a c is equal to sum. So here you will get a value of c, and then here printf /n c is equal to %d and c, and then gets return 0. Then bracket complete. This is the program code for function, addition of two numbers using function. See in this program, at this step, this is suppose step first. At this step, you have declared a function. At second step, you have called a function. Whenever you call this function, go to the definition of this function. This is third step. Then whenever executing this code, you are returning the value, then returning this value to this here c is equal to whatever value you have returned, that is c is equal to r. C is equal to r. Instead of sum, here value of sum is now r whenever you are returning this value. So that is c is equal to r, whatever value is you are receiving, that is p plus q, and then print that value. ओके, इथपर्यंत समजलंय. पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये काय केलं आपण की फंक्शन डिक्लेअर केलं, मेन मध्ये फंक्शन कॉल केलं, c इज इक्वल टू सम. ज्यावेळेस या स्टेपला कर्सर कंट्रोल येईल, c इज इक्वल टू सम, go to the definition of sum, that is third part of this function. So go to the definition of this sum. Then in sum we have declared three variables p, q, r. These three variables are local variables to this function. Life of these three variables is within this function. Whenever you are using out of this function, there is no life, because these are the local variables. These are not global variables. What is local and what is global? Locals are executed, local variables are executed within the program or within the function or within the block, whereas global variables will be used throughout the program anywhere. ओके, तुम्हाला लोकल ग्लोबल समजलंय? हॅलो हॅलो, मे ऑडिबल?
येस सर.
लोकल व्हेरिएबल आणि ग्लोबल व्हेरिएबल समजलेत का?
येस सर.
रिपीट करा सर.
ओके, I will repeat. See, in this program we have used PQR three variables. Here we have written sum, integer sum, then declared three variables, integer p, q, r, then printf, enter any two numbers, scanf, percentage d, and p and q, then here return r is equal to p plus q, then return your return r. So scope of these variables within this block of statement, within this curly brackets, okay, these are the local. Whenever you are declaring a variable like this, integer, suppose a, b, c, three variables are you are declaring, and then you are return, then you have written int main. After suppose this is hash include file stdio.h, then hash include conio.h, then you have declared a integer a, b, c, then you have declared a integer main, then suppose you have declared a your integer x, y, z, then whatever operation has done, then okay. So these a, b, c are global variables. Okay, this x, y, z is local variable. Here also pqr is local variable. Okay, so here abc we can use anywhere. Here suppose you have written a is equal to sum, here you have written suppose b is equal to whatever 5. So you can use anywhere throughout the program, that is the global. And whenever you are using within that code, that is within that function, within that block of statement, that is the local. Okay, did you get समझला?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after 5 minutes we will rejoin again. Okay, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
After 5 minutes we will rejoin again.